Welcome to Growing Old. It's getting crowded in the greenhouse.
Growing old, the name you'll hear around. 'Cause we're planting seeds in sacred ground. We cultivate with purpose, heart and soul. Cannabis as medicine, that's our goal. In our greenhouse, sunshine streams and glows. Watching green leaves.
Well, here we are again in the greenhouse, and it's getting pretty full in here. And again, we'll start off here with our CBD. And I believe it was Cannabis I was in a discussion with, and he was asking about if we were in flower or not. And I said, yeah, we've started flower, and that's what we've kind of done. And when we go down, I'll show you some more. But here in this CBD, and you can see that, yeah, I haven't even made it out here, but it's nice and healthy. You can see how, we're starting to build where some buds are going to go. But she's doing all right. And then here's her sister. Of course, they're the same, but they're a little different. This one looks like probably got a little more of the other side of the genetics, blonde versus brunette or something. But they're sisters. But this one's nice and bushy. I think we're going to get a lot out of this. I do intend on cleaning it up a little bit. But let's move down to my favorites, the peyotes. And this first one is a peyote forum. And this one, if we look really close, those are buds forming up. So I'm saying she's definitely flowering. So I don't have no problem saying, yeah, she's in flower, I don't think. By all means, comment and let me know if I'm on the right track. But she's getting pretty nice. And if we just look in here, maybe we can get a peek. And you can just look and see how thick that is. That is nice. She smells good too. And then here's the big girl. And we could just look up at the top, and I've kind of started moving these over, and I'm going to start weaving it up through, or try to weave it up through, because yeah, she's looking really, really good. I'm going to try and bend this down, because if we look at this whole branch, that's just tons of buds waiting to happen. So she's growing, and she's still stretching a little bit. Here's the last photo on this side, and this being a peyote kush. And what can I say? Starting to jump right into flower. We're doing a little bit there, and it's looking really good. If we swap to this other side, now here's a peyote forum, and she looks a little ragtag, but trust me, she's doing really, really nice. She's going to start to pop here pretty soon. She's a north sider, so she's not quite as thick, but she's getting really, 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 really thick. A little bit of a scent there. And then finally this one, and we've talked about it a lot, and we say, hey, what was it going? So we paid attention in here, and then all this new growth came out here. But what I failed to realize is, look how tall she's getting. This thing is almost as tall as I am. And if you remember before, she was stuck way down here. But she's really started to stretch. And she's looking good, and yeah, I think we're gonna do good out here, a good harvest. I don't know if it'll be close to what we got last year, but it's gonna be really, really good. Now, a quick thing on the autos. I know they're still out here, but what I've done is I've got around to every one of these, and I've shut off the check valves, and I've done that, and it's been about, I don't know, 3 days, and as you can see, I've got no water in there. And I like to do that because I'm gonna chop these today, and I just want to make sure that they use up all the water and everything that's inside of them. You know, they use up all their internal nutrients and everything, and then I'll chop them. Plus, that way, when I go to put another plant in there, there's no water in it. So that's the thing about that. But knowing that I've turned off the water for like a couple, 3 days, I filled up the reservoir, and I'll tell you what, these girls are drinking, because I got to fill it up again today. So these girls have been drinking, 30 to 50 liters of water a day is what we're doing now. So we're definitely stretching. And it's only the photos that have got water. So, oh, and the potatoes, but they're coming out today too. So, okay, so if you're still here, we're having a bean giveaway. And what we're doing is we're giving away a 3-pack of Alaskan Purple Autos and a 3-pack of Alaskan Banana Berry Autos. Now, all you got to do is in the comments below, just comment potatoes to be entered for this drawing. And finally, I'd like to thank our subscribers, and we love your comments. Keep them coming. Thank you.
Your cheers inspire us while we're asleep.